Hey everybody, my name is Nick and today I would like to tell you about withdrawal from favorited application. So let's get started. This is the answer from the official favorited website. So how do I initiate a payout? To initiate a payout, your balance must be at least 5,000 coins. Once you meet the requirement, follow these steps. First of all, go to your profile page and select settings. This is how it looks like. At the very bottom, click on profile, and here, just below your username, find the settings button and click on it. And finally, you are in settings. After that, navigate to manage balance to request your payout by typing withdraw. For your first withdrawal, tapping withdraw will direct you to a Stripe page where you'll be prompted to enter your personal and banking details to get paid. So it's very simple process. So just scroll down and find manage balance. Here you can find your coin balance, you can reload it, and I think after you get 5,000 coins, you'll see here the withdraw button. Just click on it, and after that you'll be taken to the Stripe page. So it was a short video about withdrawal from favorited. Hope my video was really helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.